Hello everyone, this is Chris. Today I will briefly explain how to choose between wooden boxes and flat cases for LED display packaging. For fixed installation, we usually use wooden boxes. Fixed installation means the LED screens are installed once on a wall, a building, or a stage and stay there for a long time. Why wooden boxes? First, they are more cost efficient, very important for a large budget-conscious project. Second, the screens don't need to be moved frequently, so reusable cases are unnecessary. Third, customizable. They can be made to fit large or irregularly shaped LED cabinets. So for shopping malls, building facades, or control rooms, choose wooden boxes. Our MA640, MA600, EVES 960, OF1000 serials are packed by wooden boxes by default. As for rental and poster cabinet, we typically use flat cases. Rental screens are moved constantly from warehouse to concert to wedding, then to a trade show and back. The flat cases are reusable and durable for hundreds of trips. They open and close quickly, saving time during setup and teardown. They come with wheels and handles, making them easy to move. And they have foam padding inside to protect against frequent transport. So for concert, exhibition, and touring events, choose flat cases. Our MS, MY, LC60F are packed with flat cases by default. To sum up, wooden boxes are for fixed installation projects. Flat cases are for rental projects. Choose the right packaging, save money and trouble. Thank you.